The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air.
I want the big one, Mommy. I want the big one.
Ada, calm down. Everyone will eat.
Mummy J gave Ada some naira to buy gari for dinner. On the way, Ada's eyes landed on puff puff and cold drinks.
Where's the gari? Why did it take so long?
The seller wasn't there.
That night, Mummy J shared the little food she had with the younger children, leaving herself nearly empty. Ade suddenly noticed the quiet and his stepmother's empty plate.
I'm sorry, Mummy J.
You're probably seeing those AI videos going viral, but something always feels off. The movement looks weird, like the characters are floating or walking like robots. Face glitch when they talk, lighting keeps on changing, and sometimes the character doesn't even look the same from one scene to the next, and that instantly breaks the illusion. And then we have the audio problem, lip not matching the words, strange foreign accent, and the voices that sounds flat or completely emotionless, and it doesn't feel right, and viewers notice that immediately. But here's the good news. This is exactly where Seedance 2.0 Pro actually changes the game. Unlike typical AI video tools, Seedance 2.0 Pro focuses on realism, better motion, consistency, accurate lip sync, and more natural human experience. And that actually means smoother movement, cleaner visuals, and voices that actually match the character and the context. So if you actually watched my previous video, this video actually seen on the screen where I actually taught you guys how to create this kind of AI videos, then you should actually know that this AI model is really advanced and is the game changer when it comes to AI video generation. So if you're actually serious about creating AI videos that people actually enjoy watching, then Seedance 2.0 Pro is built for you. So you want to check it out in the video description. So before you create your AI videos, the first thing you want to do is to create a storyboard, and you also want to have your scripts ready. So I have already written my scripts using ChatGPT. So what I did is I just copied out each of these scenes in the script, and I came to Google Gemini here and asked you to create a storyboard of all of those scenes that was in my original script. Once you head to Google Gemini, click on these tools here and click on create image. So here you want to choose the style of your image. I'm going to go with cinematic. Then click on this plus here and add the photo you want to use as your reference image. From here, we are going to add your prompt. Okay, so this is super perfect. I am going to be leaving this prompt in the description. Okay, for those of you that want to give this a try. Okay, so you get exact result as me. So I'm just going to be downloading this image. Right, you can as well copy it. So this first image here, which is my reference image, I actually generated this image using Visual GPT. Okay, actually tried using Visual GPT to generate all of the scenes, the different images for my different scenes. I actually got consistent character for the main character, but every other character was not consistent as I wanted it to be. So that is why I prefer making use of Google Gemini, and it actually gave me the exact results that I needed. Okay, and so once the Google Gemini generates your storyboard for you, you go ahead to ask it to generate just the text parts with motion prompt per penna, and the AI will go ahead to do just that for you. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is to go ahead to answer the AI to extract, that is separate each of the scenes for you, that is each of separates the images, the storyboard for you. So this is what I did. This is for the first one. So let me quickly show you how to do that, okay? So you first of all you have to leave this to at create image. Like click on this to leave it at create image, then click on this plus here, then upload the storyboard that was actually generated. Alright, so the next thing is you just give it the instruction to extract the scenes individually, that is separately. So the next thing I want to extract is scene 4. So I'm just gonna copy this. Then I'm going to be replacing it here. Alright, so I'm just instructing it to extract the scene 4 where Ada returns with paper bags of snack. So and here you have it. It has successfully separated the image, and you can actually see that this does not just separate the different scenes, but it actually increases the quality of each image. So I'm just going to download this. So that is how you go about doing the rest. The tool I'm actually using to generate voiceover is called Remaker AI. So I've been able to generate a couple of the speeches. So all you just need to do is to make use of the text to speech feature here. You paste the text and it actually converts it into speech. And with this platform, you can actually make use of your own voice. So if you have different characters, different voice, real human voice that you want to do, all you just need to do is to come here and clone their voice, or you make use of the speech to speech feature. Okay, so whichever way you go, it's actually fine. Okay, so once you add your text, you want to select the language, you want to choose the gender, you want to choose the gender and the character. So for instance, for example, I'm using this offset girl as Ada to play the role of Ada in the short story. Then why I am making use of this imposing manner for the mother, which is middle-aged woman. And for the voiceover, that is the background voiceover, I'm making use of this graceful lady as our narrator. Okay, so and I also love the fact that all of the voiceover that I have generated is not more than 15 seconds, because the Seedance AI model can only generate up to 15 seconds video right now. So I actually love that aspect. Okay, here is the platform we'll be using to generate our AI video. We're currently using the AI model Seedance 2.0 Pro, which is an advanced AI video generator. So you can currently access this AI model in the jsp.com website. You can actually access the website using the link in this video description for quick and easy access. Okay, so once you get to the platform, you actually see that you can make use of reference videos, reference audio to generate your AI scenes, or you can make use of the text to video. Okay, reference generation, you can go ahead to upload image, video, or audio. So for this tutorial, I am going to be making use of the reference generation mode. So I'm going to be uploading the first scene should be the first scene. Then we're going to be using this as the audio. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to be adding our prompt. Scene 1, Nigerian village compound. So I'm going to tag at image 1. Okay, at sunrise, warm lights. Okay, then use at audio 1 as the background voiceover of the story. Okay, so this is a prompt we're using. So here you go ahead to choose the aspect ratio 16:9 for YouTube and 9:16 for shorts TikTok. So we're going with 16:9 for this tutorial. Then you change the model to Seedance 2.0 Pro, and you want to drag this to 15 seconds, okay? And now you want to hit generate. So this is going to take some time to generate, okay? So I'm just going to wait for a few minutes, up to maybe, I don't know how long this is going to take, okay? Well, I guess we just have to wait for the meantime.
The first
so
light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue.
And
the children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air.
So
the first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter. Light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village, a soft orange and pink hue. The children were already awake, chasing each other through the dusty paths, their laughter echoing in the still air. The first light of dawn painted the sky over the village.
Generate. So while this is generating, let's go and see. Let's go and see if this okay. This is still 98%. So let's go back to the previous ones.
Ada, calm down. Everyone will eat.
I want the big one, Mommy. I want the big one.
So once you're done generating all of your AI scenes, the next thing you want to do is to take all of the clips to your video editor. I'm actually using CapCut to do this. So just go ahead and merge all of the clips together and, just cut out the unnecessary parts of, each scene that you feel is not flowing well. So once you do that, it's actually going to give it the natural flow from one scene to the next, okay? So you don't just make use of the AI videos exactly the way it is. You want to actually edit it so it actually has a natural flow. So guys, if you actually found this video helpful, you do want to subscribe to the channel and do turn on the bell notification button, like the video and leave a comment so YouTube continues to push this video to the right people. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.